Hello world, Kirk Henderson here. I'm gonna tell you how to get new YouTube subscribers by networking automatic. Now check this out. I'm gonna do my video first and then I'm gonna show you how to set it up. And what you want to do is you want to set up a automatic channel. In other words, what I'm saying is once you set up, please subscribe into your channel, and then what you want to do is once that subscribe button pops up in the channel, and then you want to also put into that subscribe network channel, say network channel, okay, new subscriber network channel. So anyone who sees that new subscriber network channel, in other words, when you see that, everyone who sees that would then they subscribe to your page and they know that it's a network channel. So you subscribe to their page, they subscribe to your page, and pass the word to everyone who watches your video is going to see new subscriber network channel. So in other words, it's about a network. New subscribers, network channel. You subscribe to my page, I subscribe to your page. And I'm going to show you how to set it up step by step. Okay? All right, just hang tight. Hello, yes, I'm going to be walking you step by step how to set up this YouTube network channel. First thing you want to do, dear people, is at least download the free TubeBuddy for YouTube. Download that. That's free. The YouTube Buddy for free. Or download the vidIQ SEO. Now that's also free. The TubeBuddy or the, let's see, hold on, or you can download the vidIQ for YouTube. Either one of those, vidIQ for YouTube, or what's that, TubeBuddy for YouTube. Okay, I'm going to walk you through this step by step how to set up the network channel for new subscribers. Actually, I'm starting from scratch. So once you do all your title, your description, make sure your keywords match up with everything, and then put your tags in here. If you could add all three, your titles, the tags, all that stuff in there together, that would pretty much boost that would boost up the video SEO score. First thing you want to do once you got your title, your description, your tags in, okay, you scroll down here, okay, it's gonna show you your tag count. It's gonna show you your keywords in the title. Okay, this is where I want to be, right here. See where it says add at least one card. Click that arrow. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to add a card, but the first thing you want to do is, hello world, Kirk set Henderson this here. Video. You want to set this video as a card temple. So you can pause it. That's where you want to set that at. So click right here, set this video as a card temple. Now, look up here, said add card. Now, go down to right here where it says poll, encourage viewers to participate in a poll. Hit create. I'm going to pause it for a minute and I'm going to type in please subscribe. Okay, so this is what I typed into my poll. Please subscribe my network channel. Tell me what you think. Once you created that, now you want to click on create card. So now it's creating the card. See, there's your poll. It says please subscribe. And you can check that by looking up here. Please subscribe my network channel. Okay, I'm gonna pause it for a minute and I'm gonna walk you through another process. Okay, look up at the top. See where it says end screen? All right, click that. Now it's gonna pop up. Okay, it's gonna stop at the end screen. Say what about 5-10 seconds before the video ends. Okay, so all you got to do at this point is set this video as a end screen temple. Okay, now once you click set this video, now look up here, use this temple. Use this temple. Just click use this temple. Now I'm gonna use this particular temple right here. Then click select. Well folks, I'm recording and doing this stuff at the same time, so please forgive me how I explain this stuff. See right here, choose a video or a playlist. Just look over here, video for playlist, click edit. Now choose a video, click it, click save. Now you see where the video pops up, and this is your subscribe button. Click save. So now, once you click save, go to your video channel. Just click right there. There's your video, and now your button is going to show up. Let's see. Once it plays so many views.
Check this out. I'm gonna do my
see, there your button. Please subscribe.
Show you how to set
and look at the way I got it set up. Look at the way I got it set up. How to get new YouTube subscribers through network channel. Put subscribe network channel in your video. Okay? Now you saw the please subscribe button popped up. Now everybody else who's educated to this, they already know. Just put subscribe network channel in your video. Please subscribe at the top up here. My network channel. And at the end of this video, once it plays, hold on, I'm gonna pause my camera for a minute. Now, at the end of the video, it normally pops up the video channel. Subscribe. There you go, see? That's what I want, the video, and here go the please subscribe. See there? There you go right there. And so the network channel is set up. So you got please subscribe, and anyone who sees this subscribe network channel, well then they know to automatically subscribe to your channel. And that's all it takes. And then here you can just follow through with the end. Let's see, with the, just click on each one of these arrows and see if you can set it up. Just set up what you can. Share it to Facebook, share it to Twitter, monetize. It shows you if your title is too short or too long, your tags are too short. If you can do all of that, but then that will give you a higher rating, SEO rating. Okay? Set that up, and once you get it networked and the word get out, folks will subscribe to your page automatically once they see that information inside the page. Thanks for watching. I tried to explain this stuff the best way that I could, filming at the same time and trying to talk at the same time. But thanks for watching. Okay, bye.